So here we are on Lot 7 at Harside Grove. We're gonna have an ice cream social today, so we are ready to get started. Come see us if you're in the neighborhood.
Labor Day weekend, another beautiful day here at Harside Grove, and we've had a great week. We've had an ice cream social.
Did a test drive.
Did a test drive.
That was fun.
That was fun, and I think we're going to do another one this afternoon.
Looks like it.
So yeah, for a Labor Day, beautiful day. We've had great traffic in the coach today, so we're excited about that. And so yeah, so we're gonna today. Since we sold the coach we had up here, we actually have Coach 1301 up here now, an XL3. So we thought we'd take today to show you the XL3 and show you some of the features in it, show you the inside, a little bit of the exterior, and show you what we have up here. So still beautiful weather up here at Harside, so don't hesitate to come.
The sun is so warm and it's a cool breeze. And this 1301, this Coach 1301 is one we have at the ice cream social as well. So
yeah, so we'll take you through a tour. Come on and see us, and don't forget to keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach. Hey everyone, here we are in Coach 1301, the XL3. And if you aren't familiar with the X's, the X platform, everything is on the same level, unlike the H where the driver sits down a little bit. So the ideal thing about that is your passenger seat can actually turn around and be part of your living space in here. So that's really nice because it really takes that space and makes it into a functional space when you're not driving down the road. So that's a nice feature of this. And as you can see, great colors in 1301. A lot of browns with some lighter tile. Great design by the Marathon team again. Also, the fireplace behind the driver's seat. And of course you have your 42-inch TV that comes down from above the driver. Then you have your slide-out salon TV here. And as we move into the galley, the Marathon J Lounge, and what's really cool about Marathon is we really utilize every inch of this coach. And as you can see behind the cushions here, we have storage all the way around, all finished off inside, so it's not just bare wood in there, it's totally finished off. So storage there, storage under the booth, you got storage under the couch, which is a jackknife couch that pulls out and folds down, so if you do have guests, you do have a place to have them stay. And of course into the galley here, you've got the Fisher Pickle dishwasher, cooktop, refrigerator, top of the line appliances, and your 2-burner cooktop here.
Right, Randy, we need you to show us the squeegee door.
Yeah,
everyone loves this glass door. The women don't have to get after the guys to squeegee off that glass.
Yeah, so as you can see right here, a built-in squeegee.
It is the best.
Who else has that? So all you have to do is push a button and the door automatically squeegees. I mean, mainly after the shower, you hit the button, the door goes in, and it automatically squeegees off all the water. Beautiful shower. Rain head. I mean, what a great design they've done on this shower.
Okay, ladies, here is another wonderful feature in this coach. This is a huge walk-in closet. It has drawers, and then over here, of course, a shoe rack, a total necessity while traveling down the road. This is the female's closet, and so is the one in the back and the one underneath.
Yeah. And then of course, right over here we have another hanging closet here with a lot of drawers below. So really this coach has a ton of storage. So, and then of course in the back here you have the washer and dryer right here, large TV in front of the bed. Another thing I want to show you, and I'm a guy so I love this kind of stuff, but what I've always appreciated in all the years of knowing marathons is the accessibility to everything. And when you open this up, and I know Mal has hit on this a lot, but you know, I don't think you can get enough of this. I mean, you look at the electrical, I mean, it's amazing. Everything is neatly done, it's run neatly, it's labeled, and like I said, I'm sure Mal, Mondays with Mal hits on this a lot. I just don't think you can ever get enough of it. He does a great job of showing all the all the parts and how marathons are built. But I just think if you haven't seen this, this is a great thing to see.
We're just going to do a walk through so you get the view all the way through. Notice all the windows. You can see outside at every angle and just beautifully decorated.